DIXON Laptop Manufacturing Company, Aircondition Facility, required bulk manpower. Location, ORAGADAM. Gender, male-female. Qualifications. 10th, 12th, IT, any degree, and diploma, B only. Age limit, 18 முதல் 35 வரை. Freshers experience. Department. 1. Production. 2. Quality. 3. Assembly. 5. Store. Shifts. Rotational shift, 2 shifts. Timing. A6 to 2. B2 to 1. Salary, 16500 based on qualification. Per hour, 152. Job role, trainee. Benefits. Free food, all directions, transport available. Accommodation support provided by company. Contact. 8270104879 9566586193 90805191951923